Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Laragon for WordPress. First, download and install Laragon on your Windows machine. Once installed, ensure Apache, MySQL, and PHP services are running. Then, use Laragon's Quick App feature to create a new WordPress site in just a few clicks. This process is incredibly fast, often taking less than 60 seconds. Finally, access your brand new WordPress installation directly through your web browser, ready for customization and content creation. Laragon simplifies WordPress setup by automatically creating a dedicated database for your site. It also pre-configures the wp-config.php file, saving you valuable time and effort. You can easily manage your database using built-in tools like phpMyAdmin or HeidiSQL, which are accessible with just one click. After installation, dive into your WordPress admin dashboard to customize settings, themes, and plugins, making your site uniquely yours. Laragon provides an excellent environment for local WordPress development. You can develop and test themes and plugins directly on your machine, switching between multiple PHP versions with ease. For advanced debugging, Xdebug integration helps you pinpoint issues quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, Laragon's integration with ngrok allows you to securely share your local site with clients or colleagues, even if they are thousands of miles away, for feedback and collaboration. When your local WordPress site is ready, Laragon assists in migrating it to a live server. It offers straightforward tools for exporting your database and files, making the transition smooth. Remember to regularly back up your WordPress installation, including both files and the database, to prevent data loss. Keeping both Laragon and your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated is crucial for maintaining security and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.